Welcome back. My name is Maxim from Momoyoga, and today we're going to have a look at how we can set up discount codes within Momoyoga so we can offer discounts to our yogis for classes, class passes, memberships, and events. To get started, we're going to go and head over to the pricing tab in the left menu bar. We're going to click on promo codes and we're going to click on add promo code. Here we can start by creating our first promo code. We can give it a name which will only be visible to us, and we can give it a name for the promo code itself, which the yogi will fill in when they want to apply the discount. For example, summer 10, which could offer, for example, a 10% discount during the summer as a percentage, or for example, a fixed amount, which is also reflected in the settings here. So we can select either percentage discount, for example, 10%, or a fixed amount, for example, 5 or 10 euros. Now, if we look at the checkboxes, we'll dive a little bit deeper into it. We can limit the use of this promo code to a one-time use for the yogi. So if a yogi uses it, they will only be able to use this once when buying something. We can also limit the number of times the promo code can be used. For example, if we say 25, in total 25 people will be able to use the discount, as well as we can limit the promo code being used to specific pricing options or memberships specifically, so that it's not available or applicable to all kinds of pricing options and memberships. And for recurring members specifically, we can apply the discount to either all months, or for example weeks, or whatever, how your recurring membership is set up, or to a limited amount of payments, for example 1 to 3 months or whatever it is. And lastly, we can set a specific active date for the promo code, so when it starts, and for example also when the promo code ends. And that's everything in regards to setting up your promo codes. And that was it for this tutorial. We hope you found it useful. Let us know what you think, and if you want to know more about Momoyoga, or if you have any other question, you can visit our help center. And if you enjoyed this video, we have many more videos like this covering a lot of different topics.